In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer portal in Salesforce. Let me guide you through the process so that by the end, you'll have a fully functional portal to enhance your customer's experience. Let's get started. First, navigate to the home page of your Salesforce account. This is your starting point for most administrative tasks, including setting up your customer portal. Once you're there, locate the quick settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu, giving you access to various options to customize and manage your Salesforce environment. Among the selections available, find and click on Open Advanced Setup. This will lead you to the Setup menu, where most of Salesforce's robust customization features are housed. In the Setup menu, utilize the search bar, type in Digital Experiences, which is the cornerstone feature for creating portals and enhancing customer interaction with your business on Salesforce. Once you've typed in Digital Experiences, click on the result that appears in the list of options. This will bring you directly to the Digital Experiences settings page. Here, it's essential to ensure that your Experience Cloud site's domain is properly configured. This configuration is crucial because each site within your Experience Cloud needs a unique domain. Before moving on, check to make sure that the Experience Workspaces feature is enabled. This ensures you have all the necessary tools activated to create engaging customer portals. Don't forget to click the Save button after making any changes. This is a step that many people miss, and missing it can mean losing all adjustments you've made so far. With settings configured, turn your focus now to All Sites under the Digital Experiences tab. Clicking here will show you all your existing sites and allow you to manage them from one place. Pick the site you'd like to edit or create a new one from scratch. From here, access the Builder by clicking on it. The Builder is where you get to personalize and tailor the site to fit the needs of your customers. Inside the Builder, pay attention to the Components option. Components add specific functionalities or visual elements to your site, which can significantly enhance user experience. Choose the components that you want to add based on what features will best serve your customers. Next, look at the site's theme. The theme dictates the overall look and feel of your site, which contributes to brand consistency and customer engagement. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand identity and resonates with your users. Another vital aspect to consider is the page structure. This determines how information is organized on your portal. Opt for a structure that logically presents information to users, making their navigation swift and intuitive. Once you've finished setting up your site with the desired components, theme, and structure, click on Publish. Enter the publication description, which is helpful for keeping track of changes and updates. Finally, click Publish again to make your portal live. Congratulations, you've just set up a fantastic customer portal on Salesforce, ready to enhance your customers' digital experience.